Good morning everyone. Today I am going to show you an activity, burning of magnesium ribbon in air. For this activity we need some requirements. These are magnesium ribbon, a strip of magnesium ribbon, pair of tongs, watch glass, spatula, beaker and red and blue litmus paper. Now we are going to start. This is magnesium strip and I cleaned this strip using sandpaper. Now you hold this strip with pair of tongs, then you light the burner. Now we are going to burn the magnesium ribbon in presence of air. Let us check what happens here. Now you see magnesium ribbon is burning with a very bright white light. And it is converted to a powdery ash. I have collected the powdery ash in the watch glass. Now it is not a magnesium metal, it is the oxides of magnesium. So when we burned the magnesium ribbon, we got a new substance called magnesium oxide. Let us check the chemical equation. We burned magnesium metal in presence of oxygen and it gives magnesium oxides, a new substance, magnesium oxide. Okay, this is the chemical equation of burning of magnesium ribbon. Okay, now we are going to transfer the white powdery ash in the beaker containing water. Mix the solution properly. Again a new substance is formed. This is not magnesium oxide. When we transferred the powdery ash in the water, it is converted to their hydroxides. It is magnesium hydroxide. Okay, let us check the nature of the solution. We know that acid turns blue litmus red and base turns red litmus blue. Now I am going to put here 1 drop of solution in red litmus paper and again a drop of liquid in blue litmus paper. Now you see the red litmus paper turns blue and the blue litmus paper remains same. So the nature of the solution is basic. In this activity we got two new substances. One is magnesium oxide and other is magnesium hydroxide. The equation is, when we dissolved the magnesium oxide in water, it gives a new substance called magnesium hydroxide, which is basic in nature. So these are the equations of burning of magnesium ribbon.